Hey guys, don't mind me with blue lips. Well, it kind of stained, but I'll get it off. And yeah, but what I really wanted to do today, as you can see, there's no noise around me. It's just wind blowing. Look at this. So this is not where I usually film, but yeah, I'm in the empty, peace and quiet backyard, and there's nothing around. There's wind noises. So I think I'm gonna go stay closer over here towards the door, because it's very windy out today. But guys, do you hear that sound? Guys, alright, I'm gonna hold on to the door. Okay guys, that was nothing, but it is really windy out today, and it makes everything 100 times worse. And literally, I think someone's coming after me just because I'm out here alone. And if I got trapped in this backyard for the next 24 hours, I literally have nothing to do, nothing to eat, and of course with a dead phone and with the scary sound noises. But in the meantime, I'm just gonna stand here just looking around. But as you can see, they have these two things. I know what they're called. This is just like a mini kitchen. This is just a shed full of stuff. And yeah, guys, I'm just gonna be standing on this. You might be wondering, Anaya, why are you standing on grass? This is actually not grass. This is a rug made out of grass. Like, it literally feels like real glass. Not glass, grass. But it's just like fake. Well, it is real, but guys, I'm gonna be walking from the entrance, and I need to place you guys somewhere that I won't get too creeped out, because it's really windy out, and I don't even know where to place you guys. So I think I'm going to place you. Hold on, guys. Guys, I just saw something moved. Guys, did you see that wood move? I'm not sure if you can see it, but that wood was moving by its own. Guys, comment down below if you think it was the wind, or do you think someone was moving it? Guys, I don't know. But in the meantime, I think I'm just gonna look around, and you might guys know I'm not trapped in this backyard because I just went out here, and from the looks of it, so creepy. But guys, did you hear that, guys? Hold on. That wood, hold on. Do you see that wood? I'm gonna walk up closer to it just so you guys could see it. And if it gives me a jump scare, I'm running back to the door. Guys, I'm not sure if you can't see it or you can, but look. Okay. Guys, I'm backing up because I feel like I'm gonna get a jump scare out of me. So guys, I think I'm just gonna place you somewhere and just face my fears about the wind. And yeah, I'm gonna place you guys right here. I'm gonna place you guys by the shed, and hopefully nothing will too bad happen, because yeah, it's just nothing, guys. In the meantime, it's very empty, and I'm all alone in this backyard. You know what? Okay. That is way too creepy. I never... Guys, what is going on? Like, look, once I was backing up, it looked like someone was watching me. Like, I was right here, right? Look at this. Guys, I'm not sure if you could see it or not, but do you see that gray stuff? I don't know who was watching me, and no one will never watch me like that. But guys, I think I'm going to end this video here, but I'm not right now. I know this has been a very long video, guys. A lot of things been moving. Wind is blowing. I think I'm seeing. Yep, guys, I'm gonna end it. Guys, I'm gonna end it here. Hope you like this video. If you did, smash the like button, and I'll see you guys next time.